Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between TP-Link's Archer A6 and Archer AXE300 routers. Let's dive into 4 essential specifications to help you make an informed decision. Wireless. The Archer A6 offers Wi-Fi 5 technology with AXE1200 speeds, suitable for medium-sized homes. On the other hand, the Archer AXE300 features cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering AXE6 technology, delivering AXE 16,000 speeds and quad-band connectivity for maximum performance. With faster speeds and extended coverage, the AXE300 is perfect for larger households, ensuring seamless connectivity for multiple devices. Security. Both routers prioritize network security with SPI firewall, access control, and VPN server support. However, the Archer AXE300 enhances security with Home Shield features providing real-time IA protection, malicious site blocking, and intrusion prevention. With advanced security measures, the AXE300 ensures a safe and secure online experience for your entire family. Hardware. The Archer A6 comes with a dual-core CPU and standard Ethernet ports, while the Archer AXE300 boasts a powerful 2.0 GHz quad-core QPU and advanced Ethernet ports including 10 GB WAN port options. With robust hardware specifications, the AXE300 delivers unmatched processing power and faster data transfer speeds, making it the ultimate choice for demanding networking tasks. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like ID4 and ID6, with management options available through the Tether app and web interface. However, the Archer AXE300's Home Shield parental controls offer advanced features such as custom profiles, professional content filtering, and family time management tools. Additionally, its USB support allows for convenient file sharing and multimedia streaming, enhancing your home networking experience. In conclusion, while the Archer A6 provides reliable performance for standard home networking, the Archer AXE300 offers cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, advanced security features, powerful hardware, and enhanced software capabilities. With its superior performance and comprehensive features, the AXE300 emerges as the ultimate winner for elevating your home network to new heights. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next battle of the routers.